So this is how you add a slide. So you press the little like square with the plus in it, and then there's all these different slides that you can pick from, and we're just gonna pick this one. And that's how you add a. This is how to add a text box. So first you're gonna press the plus up on the right hand corner. Okay, this is how to make the text bigger, your font bigger. So it's hard to read when it's small. So first you're gonna go to the paintbrush and you're gonna scroll down, and there's style, text, and arrange up here at the top, and you're gonna press text and you're gonna go to the size, and you're gonna press the plus, and if you don't like it big, you can go to the minus. So I'm gonna press the plus because I like it really big, and stop. And that is how you make your text bigger. Okay, so this is how to add objects and little pictures. So say I want to add, say I'm teaching about a dog. There's all these little things on the top, all these subjects like ornaments, work, transportation, activities, places, people, science, arts, education, symbols, food, nature, and animals, objects, geometry, and basic. So I'm teaching about dogs. So let's see if there's a dog. Here's a dog. I can add that. So I'm gonna tap on it and add that. And here's a dog. Now, say I wanna teach you about squares and how many angles they have and how many sides they have. I'm gonna type into search. There's a search bar, so you can press this search bar, and I'm gonna search up square. And here's all kinds of squares you could use. And here's the square I'm gonna use. And that's how you add objects and pictures to your slides.
This is how to change the font's color. So you're gonna go to the paintbrush and click on it. And we're gonna go to style, and we're going to we can click on any of these colors, or we click on these. We can go to fill, and we can go to colors, like we can pick our colors, light, dark, gradient. We could set an image, but we're gonna get a present. So we can go all these different colors. We don't have to have a color or anything. So here's light to dark. I'm gonna go with a light blue. So this is how to animate. So first you're gonna click on Keynote, and you're gonna go all the way to the other side and click Animate. So then you're gonna see Add Build-In. You're gonna click on that, and we're gonna do sparkles. So that's nice. So then we're gonna click the gray, and then we're gonna click Add Action for the middle, and we can do a create path, and I'm gonna draw a square. So I drew a square and it follows the path. So I'm gonna click done. Then I'm gonna click done again up on the top, and then I'm gonna click animate again, and we're gonna click add build out, and then let's see, what's a nice one? Let's do distance scale. Well, actually confetti's nice. So after confetti's done, there we go. That's how to animate.
So we're going to show you how to add photos and videos. So go to the left-hand corner on the bottom and press the square with the plus in it. And there's the slides, and I'm going to press this one. And I'm going to show you how to add a photo or video. A random thing will just pop up, and you're going to press the plus down in the right-hand corner of the photo. And I can either do a photo or a video, I can choose one from my camera roll. I can insert from Google or Safari or any app you want, or I can take a photo or video, and I'm going to choose take a photo or video. And this will come up, and I can take any photo or video I want. I'll take the photo. If I want to use the photo, I press use photo, and it will be in here. And that's how you add a photo. If I want to add a video, you do the same thing. You just add photo or video, and you can either take a video or do a photo.
This is how to record your voice in Keynote. So you're gonna go out to the top and click the plus button, and it's gonna be the image of the last one. So then you're gonna see a microphone, and it says record audio. You're gonna click on that, and when you click on that, you see record. So you're gonna click on that. I am gonna teach you about dogs, and then you're gonna click stop. And then we're gonna click preview. I am gonna teach you about dogs, and then you're gonna click stop. And then you're going to click insert. So when you click insert, you can tap on it. I am going to teach you about dogs. And then you're going to click stop.
This helps you a lot if you want to know, if you want to teach someone about something, or if you want to answer a question to your teacher on Keynote, or you're reading on Keynote.
Or like when you have a subject and you don't want to like type it, you can just
talk about it. So this is how you change the colors of your background. So you're going to go up to the paintbrush, and right now my background is just plain white, and I want to change it light purple. So I'm going to go into the backgrounds, and I want to do, they don't have any purples. So I'm going to go to color, and there's all these pretty light backgrounds, and I'm going to choose this one, but I could also do a gradient where it would be like blue, light blue on the top, dark blue on the bottom, and I want to do like light purples, but one would be a little bit darker. So let's do this one for the top one. Let's do this one for the top one, and then we'll do this one for the bottom one. And that's how you change the background. You can do just one plain color, or you can do two colors.